guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing one of my favorite videos to do, which is an unboxing video. So if you guys want to see that and see what I got in my Play by Sephora box, then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so before I get into today's video, I'm struggling over my words here. First off, if you guys really like this makeup look, I just did a tutorial on it and I'll have that linked right up here for you guys. It is a really beautiful, elegant look, something super easy and super easy to follow. But, so before I get into today's video, I actually want to talk about something that I have been testing out for over a week now and really thrilled to tell you guys about this. So about a couple weeks ago, I was actually reached out by a company called Teamiblends and they asked me if I wanted to try out some of their teas. It offers really good beneficial healths for the human body, and I'm an avid coffee drinker. Like, I drink coffee like every single day. I'm obsessed, but I also really enjoy hot tea or iced tea, whatever tea. I really enjoy tea as well. So I decided to look into the company. I was like, let me just see what this is about. And they have a beautiful, beautiful skincare line, which I'll actually show footage right here. They have a very, very beautiful skincare line, which I'm really, really excited because I really want to try out their skincare line because it just looks gorgeous. But they also have a wonderful tea line as well. They have many different health beneficial properties. There's a detox line, there's a skinny line, and there's just an everyday tea beauty line as well. And so I was so thrilled when this company reached out to me and asked if they wanted to, and asked me if I wanted to try it. So I was like, yeah, absolutely. And she gave me a list of teas that I could choose from. God, there were so many to choose from. I had no idea what I really wanted to try. I really wanted to try the chai, the blossom, the butterfly, and like the refresh are the ones I really wanted to try. So I reached out to her and was like, why don't you surprise me and pick one that you think I would actually really like? So they sent me over a bag of the butterfly jasmine infused tea along with a beautiful, beautiful lavender colored tea infuser tea bottle. And I just brewed this up, so it's a little warm, but this is great. And I'm not just saying this just because it sent it to me. Like, you guys know I'm always going to be 100% honest with you guys. Like, I don't care whether a brand pays me or not. Like, I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. And this is not an affiliate whatsoever with them. This is not sponsored by them. This is just me just telling you guys about this brand. But this is something that was really cute lavender bottle. I got to choose out the color I wanted and I got to try this great tea. Now, this little tea right here, this is the butterfly tea. The butterfly is an antioxidant packed tea. It is caffeine-free herbal tea with infinite health benefits. Derived from the Asia, this beautifully blue tea has been used for centuries to increase overall wellness and vitality. It is also known as the beauty tea for its anti-aging and butterflying properties. Add lemon for an acidic fruit will change the color to purple. Now, the cool benefits about this tea is that it aids in digestion. It helps reduce stress and anxiety. It can help boost your immune system and has all natural ingredients, no chemicals in it, and it does have like a beauty elixir effect. Now, the star ingredients is gonna be the butterfly pea flower, jasmine, and stevia. Now, the cool thing about this is I don't want to like take it apart. Now, like, I have a footage. Is that this little cap right here? When you open up this, actually there is like a little strainer right here. This is what helps capture the loose teas that are down below. And at the bottom, you can pull this apart and you can actually store like your vitamins. You can store loose tea in here or tea bags in here. It's a little cool little compartment that you can store anything into. So compactable, and it's so easy to travel with. Now, when you do make this tea, because they do send you loose teas, you do not want to do what I do. When I first got this, I did not read the instructions, but then I was like, oh my god, I'm an idiot. But really what you do is you open this bottle right here, you pull out the strainer, it's a little wet, you take a tablespoon of the tea, you put it in here, and then you sit there and put all the hot water in here. You put the strainer right back on top, close the lid, and voila, tea is ready to go. Now, I was kind of skeptical at first, but I was like, you know what, let me just give this a chance. And one of the coolest things I love about this tea right here, just in particular, like, I really, really want that chai and blossom tea, but this tea right here, it says that there's a lot of anti-stress and anti-anxiety benefits from this. And I'm a very anxious person. I have a lot of anxiety, and a lot of times I take the over-the-counter supplement GABA, and it's a natural organic product that is over-the-counter, and it's a supplement, and it helps reduce anxiety and stress, and it just makes you feel very relaxed. When I started drinking this tea, it gave me the exact same effects of the GABA. It just made me very relaxed, maybe very like de-stressed, and it was so easy to drink this at night and then get ready to go to bed. Like this, it's not like it's put me to sleep and like it helps me sleep, but this really made me so relaxed that I could fall asleep a lot easier, and I really like that. The fact that it is blue. It's hard to tell from my beauty lights, but this is a blue tea, and if you put a lemon squeeze in it, it actually turns the color purple, which I think is really cool and really fascinating. It does this. This is one of the many cool properties about this. It also helps to aid in digestion, and being lactose intolerant, I consume a lot of cheese products and dairy products, which I know I'm not supposed to, but this has been helping with my digestion and the process of it, so I am kind of grateful for that. After that, health benefits when it comes to the elixir or boost my immune system, like I'm assuming it's working, I'm not entirely sure. I'm obviously going to keep drinking this, keep trying this, but I wanted to tell you guys about this because this is something that I've been trying out for a week now. I'm really enjoying it. It's really cool, and like I said, they have a variety of teas that you could choose from, and not just teas, they have a whole skincare line as well, and they're all natural organic products that are really great for the skin. I'm really excited to keep trying this out because I'm really liking the benefits that I have of it so far. I think it's really refreshing. I think it tastes really good. Normally I put like a lot of sugar in my tea to make it sweet. I didn't have to with this. This just did great on its own, like perfectly. And it's very simple to clean out and very easy to clean out. And I'm actually really enjoying this. So Teamiblends, thank you so much for sending this out to me, guys. I really appreciate that. So this company is also so sweet to provide me 2 discount codes, which just is insane. They're not affiliate codes. I'm not making anything off of it. They're just discounts I can provide to you guys. So the first code they gave me is AllieA15, which is going to be 15% off your order, which I think is great. And that's going to be an active code that you guys can use at all times. And then they're offering a special one of AllieA25, which is going to take 25% off your order of $39 purchases or more, and it's only going to be active for the month of July. So this one's only going to be around for a couple weeks, and then we go back to the AllieA15, and yeah, you guys can save some money. I'll have everything linked down below about this company, about this brand. I really hope that you guys like the footage that I played for you guys, showing you guys a little bit about it, but I'm really enjoying this, guys. I cannot wait to go order the chai and the blossom tea. Those are my next 2 teas I'm going to be going through. I've already gone through half this bag because I've literally been drinking tea all day because I really enjoy it. So thank you so much, Teamiblends, for sending this out to me. So yeah, I just want to tell you guys about that. So now let's go ahead and dive on into this box. Alright, so as you guys know, Sephora is a $10 monthly subscription box. It gives you 5 sample size products of items that are sold at Sephora. They also include every single month a 50-point play card. So if you guys know how Sephora system works, every dollar that you guys spend at Sephora, you get $1 back. And unfortunately, their points are not like Ulta system where, you know, you can take money off your purchases. They're not there yet, but the fact that you can sit there and purchase something for like $18, get 18 points, add this little bad boy on top of it, and you can get another additional 50 points on top of that, which is a great way to build up points here at Sephora. So this month's box is called, let's see, Isle of Beauty. Isle of Beauty. Find the clues and find your way to buried treasure. Buried beauty treasure. Start here, your first clue. What ensures your pores are cleared and no dirt to be feared? I like this little game that they're playing. As always, they do give you a reusable makeup bag. Again, I'm not a fan of these makeup bags just because they are plastic. They're reusable, but I never reuse them, and it's just really unfortunate that's a waste. I wish that the products just came in the box with no bag in here, but I can't control how they send it. So the first item that they sent is this Slai? S-L-A-A-I. Slai. Oh my god, oh my god. This is from Drunk Elephant. I'm here trying to figure out how to say the name. It's Drunk Elephant's brand, and it's Slai Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser plus Bamboo Booster. Oh my gosh. I had to take a quick pause because my cat, whenever she eats so quickly, she throws up, and I had to go clean up her throw up because I don't want my dog to eat it. Today has been such an adventure with my animals. First off, my dog was getting sick this morning because if she waits too long to eat, sometimes she'll build up some stomach acid and causes her to get sick, unfortunately. And then, and then later on, when I was in there enjoying my lunch, I saw like my dog scratching at the door, and I was like, what is she scratching at? I saw this little freaking roach crawl through, because I do live on the first floor. It rains here all the time in Florida, so during the summer, bugs like to crawl on in. I saw her try to go and grab it, and then she proceeds to like pick it up with her mouth and chase me around the house with it. I'm running around screaming my freaking head off.
Go ahead, that's it. Let him.
Because she's literally chasing me around and then Finally, she's like, I thought she swallowed it. No, she puts it on my feet. Puts it on my feet. I flipped out, screamed. Ah, the joys of having 2 cats and a dog who fight like crazy. It's like having kids. It's like having kids, but kids that just don't understand. Okay, so the only thing that's cleansing this, I hate how they write these things sometimes. They're so confusing. The only thing this cleansing balm leaves behind is dewy glow. Oh, great. Really, a dewy glow? Plus, it comes with an extra exfoliator made with bamboo and charcoal powders. It moisturizes and nourishes the skin, it soothes and calms, and it softens and dissolves makeup. This is an exclusive, and it's also a new product that is out right now. So this is a kiwi strawberry seed blend. Oh my god, it's so tiny, so cute. Ooh, this is like silk. That is like silk. Doesn't really have the best smell to it though. And then it does come with the little bamboo facey thing. Let's see, the next product is going to be the Kiehl's Ginger Leaf Hibiscus Firming Mask. It says fall asleep anywhere, even a desert island. With this on, you'll wake up with a visibly smoother skin. Apply a quarter amount to cleanse skin before bed and leave it on while you catch some Z's. In the morning, cleanse skin to remove the mask. So that's actually really cool. Ooh, that smells really nice. It's very soft texture as well. A mask on my hand. They're a little dry. They need to get a little firm. That actually smells really good. I like that. That's cool. I've never tried this brand before, but they've been around since 1851, so hey, they must be legit. The third product is the Claudel Final Pure. Final Pure is a natural acylic acid pore minimizing serum. There's only so much room in that survival kit, so pack this multitasking serum that diminishes the look of pores and zaps blemishes. This was chosen specifically for my skin concern because, you know, your girl, first off, I'm already looking oily right now because it's been a couple hours since I've had this makeup on, and okay, right there, and I have a lot of large pores, so this is actually really cool to give this a try, and this is to help. This is for combination and oily skin, so hopefully this works really wonders of trying to perfect what's going on here. Next item is, ooh, it's Clinique. It's Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, lips. Nice. So you can see like a separation. I don't know if you guys can see right here between like the product. Do you guys see that? Right here? Do y'all see that? Interesting. This is feel cool, calm and collected knowing that this liquid mover will take off even the most budge-proof makeup. I've actually never used anything from Clinique. I know that my mom is obsessed with Clinique. It's just her go-to brand. I feel like, and please don't come for me in the comments, I'm so sorry when I say this, but I feel like Clinique is generated for an older generation because for my generation, I never grew up using Clinique. It was more of a luxurious items that you found at Dillard's or Macy's or at JCPenney's, and that was a really luxurious item to get, but now that they branched out and they are inside Sephora and Ulta, I feel like this is a cool thing for people that my age can now try out because I've always heard such wonderful things about this brand. I just never tried it because like, to me it was just like a luxurious brand that my mom always got, and I was like, one day I'll try this. So this is like my first Clinique product I finally get to try, so I'm excited about that. So mom will let you know how this goes. The next product is, ooh, it is the Marc Jacobs fragrance in the Daisy Love. This feminine, playful, and little unpredictable, the sophisticated scent still knows how to have a good time, and this is a bonus item in this month's box, and it's a new item as well. So let's give this a little squirt. Oh God. It smells like you have money. Oh my God, I love it. I smell like I have money. I love it. Last product is going to be by Bite Beauty. This is their long wear, water resistant, high pigment. This dusty mauve lip color is a treasure you definitely won't want to bury. And this is also an exclusive as well. The ingredients in this acts as an antioxidant, seals in moisture, and hydrates and nurtures. Anyway, let's take a look at this bad boy. Dusty mauve, y'all know that's the way to my heart. Okay, but how do you get this off though, for real though? Oh shit. Oh my God, look at this little felt tip pen. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. I love that. I'm gonna definitely give this a try. So yeah, guys, that is what I got in this box. You guys know how much I do love unboxings. I think they're so much fun. They're a great way to expand your makeup horizon and to see what else is out there. And for me, I'm the type of person, I stick to the same old thing every single day. So it's kind of nice when I get boxes like this because it allows me to try different brands that I may have not tried out before. So I'm so excited about this, guys. And I'll link a link down below on how you guys can sign up for a Sephora box as well. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just me sharing the place where you can buy it. Also, link down below the Teamiblends information as well, so you guys can go check them out. Check out their skincare line. Check out all the different teas they have offering. The cute little tumblers. They have these size. They also have a bigger size. They have a rose gold one, which I'm definitely gonna have to get. This is a really cool product, so I'm so grateful they sent this out to me. But don't forget, I do have 2 codes going on right now, the ALLIE25 and the ALLIE15, which I'll have, again, everything listed down below. But that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 2 videos, sometimes 3 a week. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Oh, and don't forget to check out my other channel, my vlog channel. Woo, woo, woo! Alright, guys, so before I get into about a couple weeks that offer really good beneficial health for you guys. Really, that reached out by a team. I was actually so derived from the blue jet. It is also known as the beauty. It can help boost your immune system. It can help. No cat. And every time I film, natural celiac. The Claudel Pearl Natural. Oh my god, I know how to say this word. Sialic. No, it's not sialic. Oh my god, I am blinking on this word right now. There's only so much room that. So yeah, make sure it's a place where you guys can buy it. So yeah, place where you guys can buy it.